Yaorana, it's Moino, and welcome to another episode of Polynesia Adventures, the place to learn more about the islands of Polynesia through language, culture, and travel. I wanted to share with you the top 10 reasons to visit Tahiti and her islands in 2023. Ready? Let's do this. Number 1, the beauty of the islands. French Polynesia is home to some of the most beautiful and exotic islands in the world, with crystal clear waters, white sand beaches, and lush green vegetation. Reason number 2, the unique culture. French Polynesia has a rich and unique culture that is a blend of Polynesian, French, and other influences. And this is reflected in the local art, music, and dance, as well as the food and traditional way of life. Reason number 3, the opportunity to relax and unwind. Oh yes, French Polynesia is the perfect destination for those looking to escape the stresses of daily life and relax into a tropical paradise. Reason number 4, the water activities. French Polynesia is a paradise for water sports with plenty of opportunities for snorkeling, diving, surfing, and many more. Reason number 5, the biodiversity. French Polynesia is home to a diverse array of plant and animal species, many of which can only be found in this part of the world. It's very unique to Tahiti. Reason number 6, the overwater bungalows. French Polynesia is known for its luxury overwater bungalows, which offer the perfect blend of comfort and seclusion. If you have not experienced that yet, you gotta stay in an overwater bungalow, at least for one night or 2 nights, just for the experience. Reason number 7, the opportunity to learn about Polynesian history and culture. French Polynesia is home to many ancient archaeological sites and cultural landmarks that offer a glimpse into Polynesians' past and history. We have ancient temples that we call mare, historical sites, and many more places to explore and discover. Reason number 8, the island hopping opportunities. French Polynesia is made up of 118 islands, each with its own unique character and attractions. This makes it easy to island hop and explore multiple destinations during your visit. We have our own domestic airlines, and you can buy special island hopping pass and save money. Reason number 9, the food, the delicious food. French Polynesia is home to a unique blend of Polynesian cuisine, French cuisine, Asian cuisine, and many more, with a focus on fresh seafood and tropical fruits. Reason number 10, the people. The people of French Polynesia are known for their warm and welcoming nature, and you'll feel right at home during your visit. Tahitian people love to interact with foreigners. They may be shy at first, but they're proud to show their island and all the things they have to offer. These are the 10 top reasons. There are more, of course, but I can assure you it is worth the trip. I am from French Polynesia. I am Tahitian. I was born and raised in the island of Tahiti, and I know that my home, that we call Whenua in Tahitian, is the place to be. If you have a chance to visit Tahiti, hit me up. I'll be happy to give you more details about French Polynesia, Tahiti, and all her islands. As always, I appreciate you watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Nana!